Hello guys, Newport Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're unboxing the MagSafe Charger. Okay, so this came out way back, back when the iPhone 12 was released and MagSafe was announced with it, and it's just the basic charger. So we've seen some different accessories, we've seen the MagSafe Wallet, we've seen the MagSafe battery pack, we've seen the MagSafe Duo, and of course this MagSafe Charger, which is just the charger. It's like the basic MagSafe thing, the must-have. It should actually even come with the iPhones. But yeah, of course, well, we also saw the MagSafe cases, which don't really have much MagSafe into them. They just have the magnets for these things to work better. But yeah, so this is the charger. As you can see, it's what you see in the box. It looks like a giant Apple Watch charger. We'll be comparing it to that in this video. This, however, as you can tell by the thin box, does not include a power adapter. So it also says back here, you do need a power adapter to be provided by yourself for this to work, or to buy it separately. Also, as you saw there, it's $39. And yeah, you'll see the prices in dollars, because actually this was bought by a friend who went to New York and he got it in the Fifth Avenue Apple Store for me. So thank you very much for that, and we'll be unboxing it now. So to unbox it, like every Apple accessory, we'll pull this little green thing. So satisfying. I have my studio full of these bits because I love it. Then we try to... Okay, while I open it, let me tell you, I think this is one of the most polished MagSafe accessories that have come out. So I think the MagSafe Duo is now kind of obsolete because it doesn't support fast charging for the Apple Watch. The MagSafe battery pack should be able to charge by a MagSafe, and it's not. This, I think, is flawless, at least for now, and it could go some more generations with it. But yeah, taking it out, we have some paperwork in here which we don't really care about, though it looks pretty thick. Warranty, yeah, whatever. And more warranty, safety and warranty, yeah. So we'll leave the box here, and we have this here, designed by Apple in California, of course it is. And here it is. Well, actually here it's not, it's mostly cardboard. Okay, I thought of one. There should be a 2-meter variant of this. That would be nice, because 1 meter can be sometimes not great. Especially, this is designed for you to be using your phone. This is not a proper wireless charger where you would just put your phone and it would sit there while it's charging. You're supposed to use your phone with this, and sometimes 1 meter can fall short, especially if the plug is like on the floor and you're like on the desk or whatever. So yeah, it would be nice to have a 2-meter variant of this. It would also be nice to be able to take it off, which I'm doing at the moment. Sorry about doing that off camera. Okay, here's the cable, and now the thing itself just slides out of here, because these are like continuous. I don't know if you can see, but this one is actually not. So we just pull from here. There it is. Okay, so it's like aluminum here and here, and just the MagSafe thing here. So what can we charge with this? That's actually a good question, because we'll be able to charge the iPhone at 15 watts. Looks great. Looks great, actually. We'll be able to charge AirPods, AirPods 2 or AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods Pro 3 have the MagSafe case. I actually have my AirPods Pro 2 in the other room. I'll bring them now and I'll show you. But yeah, they have the MagSafe case, so they will attach to these magnets and work properly, so that's nice. But it's also a Qi wireless charger, so you can charge anything that's not MagSafe or even not Apple. So if you have, I have actually an aperture light here. This has Qi charging. It could charge with this. Of course, I would need to plug it in first, but this could charge with this. Or you could charge an Android phone or other things. Now that would charge us at a very, very slow speed. Pretty sure it's like 3 watts, was shown in some tests. But yeah, not great, but I really like this concept. I mean, it's still a cable, but you don't have the port. Of course, now the EU has regulated against this kind of stuff, and the iPhone will have to have a USB-C port. But I kind of would like to see an iPhone, a portless iPhone that can be charged with this. Another thing, watch out with the case you buy if you want to buy this, because yeah, Apple cases are expensive, but they have the MagSafe magnet, and it will stick way better if you have it. If your case doesn't have a magnet at all, it can be a bit loose. Oops, sorry about that. Which yeah, for the MagSafe charger is okay, but for the wallet, for example, it's bad. You really want your wallet to be safe on your phone. And yeah, of course, it also works without the case. It sticks right in there, and it looks even better. Ooh, you know what would be cool? You know what I'm thinking? Color matching MagSafe cables, or like at least these to color match the back of the different iPhones. That would be so sick. Then a braided cable also would not be bad. I have most of my cables are braided now. But yeah, that's gonna be it for my review. Is it worth it? Sure. Yeah, why not? Does it do much more than the cable that was provided with your iPhone? Not really, but it's cooler. It's a good wireless charger, especially for iPhone, probably the best one you can get for iPhone. It also sticks to the back of your phone, and it's a wireless charger you can use while it's charging. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Please let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions about the MagSafe charger. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.